What does worthless mean? Worthless means having no value, importance, or usefulness. In simple words, worthless means not valuable. Worthless can describe objects, ideas, or sometimes feelings. For example, this broken phone is worthless. This means the phone has no value because it does not work. Worthless can also describe something that is useless. For example, the old ticket is worthless now. This means the ticket has no use anymore. Sometimes people use worthless to describe feelings about themselves. For example, he felt worthless after losing his job. In this case, it means he felt he had no value, but this is just an emotion, not a fact. Worthless is a strong negative word, so it should be used carefully. Here are more example sentences. The counterfeit money was worthless. The advice turned out to be worthless. She realized that the damaged goods were worthless. In simple terms, worthless means having no value or use. Easy way to remember. Worthless means no value.